What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look. It's orange eyeshadow with like a shimmer cut crease. I think this look would be great for summer. So if you guys would like to see how to create this look, just keep on watching. So to begin this look, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm just going to be putting that all around my face just to get my face smooth and primed. Next, I'm going to be taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm just going to be taking that and putting it on my beauty blender and spreading that around all my face. I really like this foundation because it doesn't look like it is makeup. It looks like your skin. I really like it because it blends evenly onto your face, and so far I haven't had any problems with it. Like, it doesn't get oxidized or like it doesn't get cakey, but I'll let you guys know if I start to have any problems with it, but I really like it so far. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer and I'm going to be putting a little bit under my eyes. I'm just going to use a little bit because I don't really like this shade. It's too light for me, but I only put a little so it makes it work. I don't know why. Sometimes I struggle getting the right shade because it always looks like it's the right shade, but when I put it on, it ends up being lighter. So the way that I fix it is just putting a little bit on. Next, I'm going to be setting that concealer with my translucent powder and just putting that under my eyes so that it won't crease. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and getting that with my e.l.f. Duo brush. Now I'm just going to be putting it onto my eyebrow, and I really like this pomade because it doesn't dry up quickly and it's very pigmented. After I just shape my brows, I fill them in, and if I have any mistakes, it doesn't matter because I just conceal them at the end. Done with my brows, and now I'm just cleaning the foundation from my lips and moving on. Next product I'm going to be using is my Physicians Formula bronzer. So I'm just going to be applying that around the cheek area and also around the nose, so I can kind of contour it, and then put it on my chin, and then after that I'm going to put it on my forehead. And I already hit pan on this because it's my favorite product for bronzer, so I really recommend it. The next product I'm going to be using is the Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. I'm just going to apply that with a brush, a fluffy one, and I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. I like to put it very softly because I don't like my cheeks to be really red or really pink because then it looks like I've been sweating. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette in the orange shade that it has on the palette. I'm just going to be applying that on the lid, on the edges, and bringing it on the inner corners. So I'm just going to do that to both eyes and use that as a transition shade. The next color is from the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm going to be getting the shade Baja. It's the dark orange color that you see there. Now I'm going to be putting that on the outer edge to make that a little bit deeper and make that edge stand out more. And then I'm going to be bringing it in more into the crease so it can get a little bit deeper and carve out the eye more. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease and put concealer on the lid. Now I'm just going to be taking this light shade from the Carly Bible palette and putting it on the lid to make it shimmery, because I love when my eyelids have a shimmer shade on them. It just makes any look pop out more. So then I'm just going to put it where the crease is and bringing it into the inner corners of my eye. And now I'm going to get more of that Baja shade and put it on the inner corner so I can kind of create a halo eye, but not too much, but just a little. And now I'm going to be taking this other light shade on the palette, Breakaway, and that was from the Urban Decay palette, and put that on the lid so I can make it lighter, and just applying that with my fingers so that it can stick better. Now I'm just applying the transition shade on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so that was it for the eyeshadow. So the next step is to curl your eyelashes and just apply your favorite mascara. Mine, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's the Lash Paradise, but it works fine with my eyelashes. And I don't know, my eyelashes aren't that good with any mascara, but I just don't want to use eyelashes for this look because on a summer day you don't wear eyelashes. So I'm just gonna wear regular mascara because I'm not going nowhere fancy today, and when I'm gonna do like a big look for you guys, I'll do eyelashes, but this is just for like a normal summer day that you're just gonna be with your friends and want to look cute but not too cute, not too fancy, you know. You're not gonna go to a date with your husband or your boyfriend or with your girlfriend or whoever you're gonna go with. It's just gonna be a simple look. So just look at my terrible eyelashes with a little bit of mascara that barely helps. Next, we're gonna go in with the Butter Highlight from Physicians Formula, and this stuff is so good on your face because it is a beautiful golden glow. And who doesn't want a golden glow on a summer day, guys? Like, it looks good and it's not too dramatic, so you can wear this almost anywhere because it's very subtle. Okay, moving on to lip gloss. I have this Essence lip gloss that I bought at Ulta. I believe it was under $3. Very cheap, and it gives me a really, really shiny gloss. And although it dries up pretty fast, I really don't care because I can just reapply without a problem. Okay guys, so finally I'm going to be using my Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist that I love to use every time. I use it just to hydrate my face and give it that natural glow. It's not really a setting spray, but I use it as one. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So thanks for watching, guys.